Hey, home business owners and coaches. Do you have a Facebook group or you're thinking about starting a Facebook group, but you don't want to invest all that time and energy into it if you aren't also building your email list at the exact same time? Because guess what? You don't know what's going on with Facebook, and your group could get shut down at any time. I'm not saying it'll happen, but it could. And you want to make sure that you're building your business on solid ground. If that's you, I've got the answer for you here today, because I'm going to talk to you all about my my 4 favorite ways to use a Facebook group to build your email list. So stick around because we're going to solve this problem for you today. Hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Lindsay Sewell, and I help coaches and home business owners to create a strategic plan to build a community of raving fans and turn them into customers. So if that's you, you are in the right place. Go ahead, hit the bell notification and subscribe so you never miss out on one of these valuable training videos. So today we're going to talk about using your Facebook group to also build your email list. And I got confused. 3 or 4, I've got a bonus for you today. So we're going to share 4 ways that you can actually use your Facebook group to also get people on an email list. Because if you don't know this already, the money is in the list. So if you do not already have an email list, you're going to want to go ahead and hop on over to this video titled Leverage and Income, because that is what an email list will create for you. And this will give you a great explanation of why you want to have one. And then you'll want to head over to this video and check out what is working for email marketing in 2020. And then you're going to want to start using your Facebook group to build up that email list. And here are the ways that which you can do that. Number 1, are you taking advantage of the question opportunity in Facebook? So when you create your very own Facebook group, you have the opportunity to ask people 3 membership questions when they join the group. If you want to go ahead and see how I'm using this, you can go ahead, click the link in the description below and hop on over into my Facebook group, Online Marketing Made Fun. It's a group for home business owners and coaches who want to stand out online. But you get to utilize this opportunity to ask people right off the bat when they're coming into your group, when they're excited to see what's going on in your community, if they would also like to be on your email list. So go ahead, click on my group so you can see how I am wording that, because you don't just want to say, hey, do you want to join my list? That's not very engaging, that's not very entertaining, and that doesn't tell them what's in it for them. So go ahead, click on over and see how I'm doing it, and feel free to use that for inspiration for your own group. Now, the second way that you can use your Facebook group to build your email list is by offering people free gifts or a lead magnet when they come into your group. Now, if you're not familiar with what a lead magnet is, hop on over to this video after you're done and check out how to turn your cold leads hot fast. It's all about utilizing lead magnets to get people to give you permission to continue marketing to them. And when I say gifts, I don't mean you're giving away presents to everybody who's joining your group. I mean some sort of digital content or some sort of PDF download or ebook or audio that your audience would find valuable, and they would exchange their email for having access to that gift. You always want to focus on what's in it for them. Don't make the gifts something that doesn't make sense for your audience. What would they find value? Offer it to them, and they will give you their email address in exchange. It also needs to be congruent with whatever it is that you market or sell. You don't want to be giving away weight loss tips if you're selling a coaching program for marketers. You don't want to be giving away beauty tips if you're selling, Forex trading. So think about what is relevant for your audience, because they're giving you permission to continue sharing your value, your information, and your marketing with them. And you want to make sure that they actually want to receive the things that you're going to send them on the email list. Now, the third way that you can utilize your Facebook group to build your audience on your email list is by using good quality content inside the group. So if I were to look at your Facebook group right now, tell me in the comments below, put live stream if I would see you doing live stream videos inside your Facebook group. And if not, you'll want to click on this video afterwards on Is Facebook Live a Waste of Time? And check out why you might want to be incorporating Facebook Live videos into your current marketing strategy, into the value and information that you're sharing inside of your Facebook group. But you could be using a weekly live stream show, or more often, twice a week if you want, and offering a call to action where you again offer your free gift, your freebie, your PDF download. You have a call to action in your Facebook Live videos that invites them to something that will bring them onto your email list. So we've got 3 ways already: the questions in your group, the gifts and the lead magnet when people join your group, and high quality content with an invitation at the end. So like I said, if you're not inside my group, hop in there so you can see how we're putting this into action in the Online Marketing Made Fun community. And I would love to hear your insights below in the comments on which one of these resonates with you most, you're excited to implement, or if all of them are brand new to you. Now, the last one I've saved for more experienced marketers, because not everybody is going to be ready to run paid Facebook ads. Yes, the last way that you can grow your group and your email list both at the same time is by using paid advertising. The reason why this approach is probably not for everyone is because if you are not very, very clear about what your audience is, what they need, who you want to serve inside your community, what problem you solve for people, and the offer that you want to invite them to take a look at, then you are likely going to spend a lot of money without a lot of results. So if you're clear about all of those things, then you might want to consider using Facebook ads to grow your group and your email list. I'll let you in on a little secret. Not a lot of people are using Facebook ads right now to grow their group. Think about the ads that you've seen lately in your Facebook feed. They're all taking you directly into a sales page. How many ads have you seen on Facebook that are actually inviting you into a group? So you will stand out if you are able to start running these ads, if you have an advertising budget and you know who your audience is. But the power of this is that you can run a Facebook ad that not only grows your group, but also grows your email list at the exact same time. So again, I can't wait to hear which one of these most resonates with you. And if you don't have a Facebook group yet, I want you to head on over to the next video on how to create your Facebook group using the new Facebook in 2020, and I will see you in the next video.